Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, weigh and weigh. So, weigh, how heavy or light something is. Like on a scale, for example. Yes, perfect, here we are. Yeah, how heavy? Yeah, it weighs a lot. It weighs a lot. This book does not weigh much. This book does not weigh much. These books weigh a lot. So these books weigh a lot. Yeah. So these books weigh more than this book. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Can you handle the weight? Can you handle the weight? Can you lift that weight? Can you lift that weight? Yeah. I think that weight is heavier, so you need to be stronger to carry it. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. But way is the path or route to something. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, the route. Path. Oh, maybe not. Okay. So this way is shorter. That route with the roads and the names and the junctions, this way or that way. If we go that way, then it'll be harder. If we go this way, it'll be easier. If we go this way, then it will be easier. That way is new and we've never been to it. I think that way is not as fun. Yeah, that way is not as fun as this way. The other way looked better. That way or this way? How cool is that? Yeah, so weigh, how heavy or light something is, and weigh, the route, the direction. This way or that way? Shall we go this way or that way? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use weigh and weigh in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.